Good ambience. Definitely will come back to stay here again. For anyone visiting Yogya and wanting to enjoy tranquility and a local experience, I highly recommend this hotel. Very cozy, perfect place for those who wants to experience local traditional life. Great stay. The property exceeded our expectations in every aspect. Worth the money. If you want to feel completely enjoying your hotel, just choose this hotel cause they provide everything and the hotel is not that big, then you can enjoy entirely the facility. Red heart emoji. Exceptional. What stood out to me the most is the hospitality of the staff. I asked for something once and then they did it again every day without me asking. That was incredible and such attention to detail you don't find everywhere. Aside from that, the hotel is very clean and feels like a peaceful retreat from the city. I easily recommend Omah and would return next time I'm in Yogyakarta. Exceptional, good place to stay and refreshing. Satisfaction guaranteed. Love it here. It's quiet, the room is lovely. Good, perfect nuance. Beyond exceptional. I have stayed at the Omah many years ago with some friends and it was such a memorable stay that led me to plan a stay at the Omah for our wedding anniversary trip. At first we booked deluxe heritage room, Bima, which is a large, clean, gorgeous room and very close to the pool. Unfortunately the aircon was not working and the repair could not be completed immediately, so we were offered with other choices of deluxe heritage rooms, but to us, they aren't up to par. Bima. The Omah then give us a room upgrade to heritage suite with jacuzzi. Never we expect to be offered with such upgrade. We love the heritage suite, we could not bear to leave. It's a perfect add-on to our anniversary. Thank you so much Omah, can't wait to be back. Nice hotel in the middle of Javanese village. Little bit noisy if you come here during early August since Indonesia is celebrating its Independence Day, so the village had their annual competition until close to midnight, but overall nice stay with good price and good view. Good hotel, will come again next time. Village serenity with style. This wonderfully built, furnished and kept hotel is a place where you just don't want to leave from. The lush gardens and lakes couldn't be prettier. The small river which flows through the compound is a modest extra. The modern art pieces on the walls are selected with a great taste, fitting the antiquities of the interiors. There are even wonderful books and albums to read in each rooms and common spaces. You just want to sit down at every corner and stay there for a few hours, just sitting and contemplating. The atmosphere makes this hotel in the very middle of a village worth of spending as much time as you can just manage to make free to be here, or a few days more. Paradise. This hotel just outside of Yogya is wonderful. Everything is fantastic, staff, room, food, etc. We stayed for 4 nights, we would have loved to stay many more nights here. A grab to Yogya Center was between €2 and €4 each time. For this small amount you see a beautiful side of Yogya after a day in the busy center. Only the Wi-Fi needs improvement, but that's about it. Love the hotel, love the concept of the hotel. I will book again if going to Yogya. Best hotel I ever stay. Friendly staff, good food, beautiful place. Definitely I will come back again to Omah Yogya. Best hotel I ever stay. Friendly staff, good food, beautiful place. Definitely I will come back again to Omah Yogya.